Golden Bells Estates and Properties Private Limited presents you Golden Bells Apartments. There is no place like home. A home should come in a balance of luxury and affordability. Welcome to the Golden Bells Apartments, located in the proximity of Hospit. Golden Bells Apartments offers 2 BHK lavish and affordable apartments with amenities like lush green garden in a common area, well-equipped gymnasium, Olympic-sized swimming pool, spacious parking facility, nicely designed children park and a community hall which makes your occasions convenient and special. We also have a beautifully carved golden bell-shaped walking track to keep you healthy. Brace yourself. We are unveiling this iconic project soon.